Hello, my dears. Happy morning to all. Welcome to English time. Hope all of you fine at your home, isn't it? Okay. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Do you know what is the name of our new lesson? No. Okay, all of you take page number 13. What is the name of our new chapter? All of you take page number 13. In page number 13, you can see Akbar and Birbal. You can see Akbar and Birbal. The name of the chapter is Akbar Birbal Come from Heaven. Akbar Birbal Come from Heaven. First, you can see an activity. Look at that. Let's get going. We all love read stories. We all love read stories, isn't it? All of us like stories very much. The following are names of some famous characters from various stories. Match the names correctly. Here you can see the famous characters from some stories. Okay, column A and column B. You can see column A and column B. In column A, you can see famous names, famous characters. Read that. Akbar, Chota Bheem, Cinderella, Snow White, Phantom. In column B, you can see various stories. You can see various stories. We have to match the characters to the stories. Okay. Look at the stories. Column B, The Seven Dwarfs, Prince Charming, Chutki, Diana Palmer, Birbal. These are the stories. Can you match that? Can you match? Okay, I will help. First, Akbar. That you can answer. It's related with our new chapter's name, isn't it? Okay, Akbar. Yes, you want to match Akbar with Birbal. Birbal. First one with E. First one with E. And second one Chota Bheem. Second one Chota Bheem. What's the answer? What's the story? Chota Bheem story. Where did you read the Chota Bheem story? Yes, Chutki. Chutki. Then third one Cinderella. Cinderella. What is that? Prince Charming. What is that? Prince Charming. Then Snow White. Snow White. Yes, the seven dwarfs. Snow White, the seven dwarfs. Then Phantom. Phantom. Yes, Diana Palmer. Phantom. Okay. Okay, now we finished that. Match the following, isn't it? Now take your chapter. Take your chapter. What you can see in that chapter? What you can see in that chapter? Yes, look at that. This is a story of Akbar and Birbal. Do you know who is Akbar? Akbar is a great king and Birbal is his minister. Birbal is his minister. Did you heard about Akbar and Birbal previous time? Did you heard? Yes. Okay. Yes, all of us know about Akbar, the great King Akbar and his minister Birbal, isn't it? We heard so many stories about them. We told they have been in heaven for long years. Now they come back to the world. Come back to the world. They are very excited. They were very excited. When they reached at our world, they were very excited. First, they looked for a horse carriage. When they reached at this world, they looked for a horse carriage for traveling. In their times, they used horses for traveling. In their time, when they lived in this world, that time they used horses for traveling. But now we know that all things changed. Now we use cars, bus, train, etc. Isn't it? Not the horse or bullock carts, not like that. So, when they reached now, they looked for horse carriage and they inquired to a young man for horse carriage. He replied to them. He replied, "Look at these cars, buses and auto rickshaws. Look at these buses, cars and auto rickshaws. You can take a cab or use a metro. Use the metro. You can take a cab or use the metro." The man replied to them like that. Actually, it was a first experience to them. When they saw the cars and buses, they were very excited because they don't know about that. They only use the horses or bullocks for traveling. They don't know about the cars. They don't know about the vehicles. So they were very excited. Then one more thing, they were very scared to use the metro or car. They were very scared because they haven't an experience in it. That's why they were very scared to get into the metro. Okay. Then actually it was their first experience. That's why they scared. Then they felt very thirsty. They want some water. For water, they inquired to an old man for water. They inquired to him, "Is there any rivers or well for getting some water?" That time the man replied, "In cities there is no pure water. All rivers or all wells are polluted with waste, isn't it? Now we can see all rivers and lakes, everything polluted with waste, isn't it? So the old man told to them, there is no healthy water or not pure water here. You have to go to a shop and buy a mineral water bottle. In their time, they drink water from rivers, from wells, etc. But now all the incidents, all the things are changed. The old man told to them, go to the shop and buy a mineral bottle. Then Akbar and Birbal reached to a shop and they bought a mineral water bottle. That time the shopkeeper asked the money. The shopkeeper asked to pay the money for the mineral water bottle. That time they haven't money. The shopkeeper asked 25 rupees for that bottle. But Akbar and Birbal haven't any money. Instead of money, they give a gold coin to the shopkeeper. A gold coin. That time the shopkeeper excited and he was very happy. He felt very happy and he think, what a fools are them. He thinks what a fools. Because gold coin is more precious than 25 rupees. More precious, isn't it? But the Akbar and Birbal don't know about that. Then they returned. They left from the shop. After that, they wished for a hunting because they hadn't gone for hunting for years. So now they wish to go for a hunting. So they inquired to a rickshaw puller. There was a rickshaw puller. they inquired to the rickshaw puller that, is there a forest somewhere close by? Is there any forest? Is there any forest nearby? Take us for hunting. Take us to the for hunting. We have to hunt. So take us to the forest. That time the rickshaw puller replied, here is no forest. Here is no forest. In cities we can't see forest, isn't it? Now, instead of the forest, what happened? Yes, this built on that land, these buildings, houses, all things built on that land. They cut the trees and built high buildings, houses, isn't it? Yes. So there is no forest. And one more thing, there is no forest, no animals too. No animals too, because only we can see the animals in zoo. Only we can see the animals in zoo, not in the forest. There is no forest, so we can see the animals in the zoo. Hunting is not allowed now. Hunting is not allowed. In their time, hunting is allowed, isn't it? But now all things changed. Hunting is not allowed. If anyone hunt any animal, they will take to the prison. They will take to the prison, isn't it? A person who hunt, he will be put into the prison. A person who hunt, he will be put into the prison. That time they realized that now here no forest, no animals, only unclean air, only polluted air here. No forest, no animals, no hunting, only polluted air. That is the truth. Then that rickshaw puller gone. After that, suddenly a masked man threatened them with a gun. With a gun, a masked man came and threatened, give me all your jewels. Give me all your jewels. Otherwise I will kill you. Otherwise I will kill you. Akbar said, I will call my gods. That time Akbar told, I will call my gods, because he was a king. He had so many gods. But now he haven't any gods, isn't it? Now he haven't any gods. So actually here they haven't any gods. They gave all the jewels to that thief or a masked man. And the masked man ran away. After getting the jewels, the man ran away. After this incident, they inquired about a lady. They inquired about old lady. That time the lady advised to them, it's better to complain in police station about this incident. It's better to complain in police station. Then they reached at the police station. They described about the incident to the inspector, sir. They described all incidents to the inspector, and at that time two were caught in station. Two person caught into the station. To identify the thief, Birbal got an idea. Actually, they want to find out the actual thief. So for that, Birbal got an idea to find out the thief. Birbal got an idea. He gave each one of them a piece of this magic stick. Birbal gave to the person a stick, a magic stick. He said, the stick with the thief. the stick with the thief will grow longer by 3 inches within 2 hours. Within 2 hours, the stick will longer. That time we can find out the thief, isn't it? That was the idea of Birbal. After 2 hours, they waited for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the suspects, the thieves, shoved their stick. The suspects shoved their stick to Birbal and Akbar. One of the thieves' stick became shorter by 3 inches. One of the thieves' stick become shorter by 3 inches, not longer, shorter by 3 inches. Last, they identified the thief. Because the thief was afraid of being caught. So he broke his stick. That's why it shorter by 3 inches. He broke his stick. So it's very easy to find out the thief. Isn't it? Then Inspector congratulated Birbal for his marvelous idea. And they got their all jewels. They returned. This is the story. Did you like that story? This is the story of Akbar and Birbal. When they came to this world after long years, all things changed. When they lived in that time, not the things like this. All things changed a lot. This is the story. Did you like that? Okay, very good. Okay, dears, read this story very well with the help of your parents. Okay, see you in next class. Have a nice day.